Hello everyone. In our previous session, we learned how ABAP report events like initialization, at selection screen output, at selection screen, start of selection and end of selection control the overall execution flow of a report. Today, we were taking things to the next level. In this session, we will be focusing on list processing events, which makes our reports interactive. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what list processing events are, why they are needed, and how top of page, end of page, and add line selection works in a real report program using the debugger. Unlike regular report events that controls the program flow, list processing events control how the output list behaves after it is displayed. They helps us add professional headers and footers, control page breaks, and make report interactive using drill down functionality. Now let's log on to SAP GUI and go to transaction SE38. Here, I already have a sample program demonstrating list processing events. So I am just opening it. This is a classical ABAP report that displays sales document number from VBAK table and allows the user to interact with the list by double-clicking on any document to see its details. Let's walk through it step by step. So here, line count 10 of 2 specifies that each output page consists of 10 lines in total, out of which 2 lines are reserved for the page footers. By keeping the page length intentionally small, page breaks occurs more frequently, making it easier to clearly observe when the top of page and end of page events are triggered during report execution. All through the event's initialization, at selection screen output and at selection screen are present in this program, they do not contain any logic. So, the actual processing of the report effectively begins with the start of selection event, where the code fetches sales document header data from the table VBAK and displays the sales document number as an interactive list. Each sales document number is written on a new line marked as a hotspot. Hotspot on means the line becomes clickable and a double click can trigger at line selection event. Its key is secretly stored using hide for later retrieval. In the start of selection, let's place a breakpoint inside the top of page event and execute the program. As soon as the list output starts, the debugger stops inside top of page. Top of page runs every time a new page starts in a classical list. That's why it's a perfect place to put page headers. Here, we displays a page header and side item shows the current system date. Uline is nothing but a horizontal line. So, when we execute the report, we can clearly see that each page begins with a header, displaying the report title along with the current system date. This confirms that top of page event is executed automatically at the start of every page. Next, let's place a breakpoint inside the end of page event. Let's execute and see. This event neatly closes each page with a well-defined footer, giving the report a balanced and professional finish. As the output spans multiple pages, the footer acts as a stabilizing element clearly marking the end of one page. Here, the uline statement draws a horizontal line to visually separate the page content from the footer. Then, the system variable page number is used to display the current page number, clearly indicates the end of that page. After this footer is printed, SAP moves to the next page where the top of page event is triggered again to print the page header. Here in the output, you can see the page number displayed at the bottom of each page. Next, let's put a breakpoint on the last event at line selection and execute the program. After the output data is displayed, double-click on a sales document. It stops at line selection event. Here the system retrieves the hidden sales document number, fetches its full details and display them on the list like this. This event is the foundation of drill down reporting in classical ABAP. So, in this session, we learn what list processing events are, how top of page creates report headers, how end of page creates footers, and how at line selection enables interactive drill down approach. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and hope this session helped you understand list processing events better.